This is a move-out job. We're doing a carpet cleaning of 6 areas. We're going to use the set process. First in the process is dice. Then we're going to start our set process. Dice is dry and soluble soil extraction, set soil extraction transfer technology. It's a ULM approach to carpet cleaning, ultra low moisture. At the end, we're going to post dice and groom the carpet, and then post dice again. The machine of choice is the RotoSETT machine. We're using the brush pad combo system to deep clean the carpet as well as extract the water soluble soil, agitation and extraction at once. Get to work. And we use the peroxide-based cleaner and deodorizer. That might be a rust spot. We're going to get some rust remover in a little bit. See if we can get that out. Now we're extracting and agitating at the same time. I see stuff coming out of the carpet. So when we do the post vacuum, we'll get that out. We did do a pre-vacuum. This is going to really work in the pre-spray as well. Now there's some extreme wear in that area right there. And the good thing about this brush attachment, it lifts up the pile. Look at that. It's all worn there, but it's lifting up the pile. Doing an excellent job. Here's so far. We're working backwards now. Usually we start forwards. Well, we did start forwards, but we were kind of in the middle of the room. What a great pile lifter this is. And we're going to remove a lot of debris that's embedded in the carpet even after we pre-vacuum. Pre-vacuum. You can see right there, stuff coming out. Very deep clean. I'm going to get behind this door, so I'm going to take a break. Another thing, when we lift this pile, we're also going to increase, we're going to have quicker dry times. So there's a lot of benefits that we're getting with this attachment. Not only working in the pre-spray, digging out the dirt that's deep inside the fibers of the carpet, but at the same time we're absorbing. Some dirt over there. I'm gonna have to clean that baseboard. Another thing good about this brush is it's a lot easier to clean than like the CRB brushes or the Cibo Duo. This brush is very easy to clean. This carpet was very worn, and you can see, I don't know if it comes out on camera, but the pile is quite lifted. I'm gonna have to get behind that door, so I'm gonna take a break. Now for this room. Air and debris out of the carpet. And I'll make a pretty bold statement that this definitely rivals my low-wood. If not, beats it out, but because of the brush attachment. Spray we have here not only has peroxide in it, but it also has an antimicrobial agent in it and a deodorizer. Another thing, I'm going to have to go alongside the baseboards and maybe wipe some of the baseboards, because some of the hair, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, is flung over onto the baseboards. they had dogs and other pets, so you can see over there too.